What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with you with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a 10K per month system review, a new marketing system or a system that has been put together that revolves around the Conversion Pros, your main business, and 20 plus income streams that you can tap into that's going to help you make money on virtually a lot of other little mini businesses inside of this one system. Okay, so you can plug any business in here, MCA, CTFO, My Econ, or whatever, ClickBank product, JVZoo product, it does not matter. Proximity marketing, whatever you want to plug into this system and just market this one system, you can do so. But it's built around the Conversion Pros to get you people in the Conversion Pros and your main business and your other businesses as well. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to drop down. And this is the registration page. And as you can see, Keith done a wonderful job on this page. It looks real good. We have over 1,900 people already registered within the system. Okay, and that's growing every day. Okay, so you simply would click here, members log in. And then I'm going to log in here. I'm already a member, as you know. So you have the training center up here at the top, the main hub. You know, you can go through steps 1 through 5. Okay, the sales funnel, setup instruction, themes. Okay, you have different themes. You have page strategy for advertising, marketing. Okay, you have free strategies, and you have marketing tools. You have bonuses and extras. Okay, you can just go down through there. Excuse me, you also have support here. Okay, so you're going to come to this page and you're going to say congrats, on joining. So the first thing you want to do is just kind of listen to watch every video. Okay, so watch every video. Keith Stevens, this is my sponsor here. And so if you decide to come into this system, my picture will be here with my information. Okay, so watch the video, watch the overview, download these PDFs. They're going to help you. Okay, click on set up my profile. It's going to open a new tab. Give a little time. My recording. Something, there we go. So you're going to watch this video. You can see the leaderboard. You can see how many people you have brought into the system. I downloaded, but you click on that, click here to expand, and you can see the name of the people that you brought in, okay, as they come in. Okay, this is the leaderboards, how many people they brought in so far. I'm not in there yet, but I'm going to get there. You fill out your account details. Here you can do a video on YouTube, upload it to the Conversion Pros, and then like a welcome from you. Okay, so people will get to know who you are, get that know, like, trust factor. Okay, then you have your avatar here. Now, you have over 20 income streams in this system, and here they all are. Some of these I'm not in yet, like the Z Black card, but I'm going to. Eventually, I'm going to have all of this filled out. Okay, and that's what you want to do. A lot of these are free to join. Some of them are paid. The business activator is where you would actually put your business opportunity in this box here and click save. Okay, we have iMarkets Live, JFX Trading, ClickMagick, Udemy, and as you can see, the rest, Proof and Provely. You can sign up for the affiliate programs on those. Okay, so you have over 20 income streams, and that, like I said, your main business in there is included, and the Conversion Pros. Okay, so you will get that set up, And then you will just start coming. Let's go back to the main. Well, let's just exit out of here. Going to come up here. We're going to start preparing for success. Have mindset videos in here for you. Have a couple of books that you can read, you know, kind of get your mindset, get out of that employee mindset and get into the business mindset of that you own a business. You are a business owner and no longer are an employee, although you still may be working a job. But I got the mindset that I am a business owner and this is my business, okay? So you would have instructions up under each video as well that tells you what to do. Download this PDF, okay? And instead of coming back up here, you can just simply go here, next step. Okay, you're going to set the foundation. You want to be set up with the, you're going to join the Conversion Pros, so you just watch this video. You would put in your Conversion Pros username, and then when somebody clicks this link, it will go to your account. Okay, if I click this link now, it's going to go to my sponsor's account, which is Keith Stevens, not within the Conversion Pros, but my sponsor as far as this system is Keith Stevens. But this is going to go to my account if you decide to, you know, come in with me. Okay. So, and then you just come down and you see how to raise money for your membership. Click on that. It's going to open in a new tab. And this is to help you raise money to pay for your TCP membership. And all of these are free to join. So when somebody else joins and they sign up and follow the steps, you will get paid. And that helps you cover your monthly TCP membership costs. Okay. So you can do that by clicking here. And we'll click on it. You have all, watch the video. You got the Z card, Rush card, NetSpend, Simple, Payleaf. You're going to connect these two together, okay? But that'll be showed to you. Square Cash, and you have instructions. Watch each video, and it tells you step by step what to do, okay? Then you can go back to step 2. Okay, once you get here, just go to the next step, or you can go to initiate your system. I'm going to go to the next step. And you're going to follow this video, set up your sales funnels. Okay, so you do that. Watch this video. It's going to show you how to set up your sales funnel, how to set up your autoresponder within TCP. These are the different funnels that you can have. Okay, the minimalist. This is funnel 1. You have 1, 2, 3. All of these are connected together. These are connected together. Funnel 2. And you can actually click on these and they'll open up so you can see what they look like. Okay. So you can choose what you want to do. Okay. So this one is based off making money with your cell phone. Okay. That's that. Then you have funnel 3, which is just a two-step funnel, capture page, landing page. Okay. And that's that. Then you have another one here. You can go back. Okay. Once you check out all of those, we're going to go back to our steps. Okay. And we're going to go back to initiate the system. Let's see something. See, we have, it was 1925, 2 people have joined. Okay. So it updates in real time. Initiate your system. Once you do that, set up your funnels. We went through that. Just gonna go to the next step. Instant commissions. Just watch the video. Okay, this is for Exodus Elite. Okay, I'm not a member of that. I may join that one a little later, but you have the opportunity to join that. This is the one I wanted to show you. You have the business activator. This is where you present your business opportunity. Okay, he shows you how to do that. Okay, mine's go to right now to a particular ClickBank product that I've chosen to put in here for now. Okay, and then you can pick a layout to actually put your company's presentation in and set up a share code within the Conversion Pros. And so you can click on it, just see what it looks like. Okay, and you would edit your information here and put the click to join. Okay, that's a 1 button. I think this is a 2. I mean a 2 video. I meant video. Okay, and this is a 3. So you have those options if you want to put 3 videos in there. Okay, so that's the business activator. Like I said, you can plug your own business into this system. So there's nothing hard about it if you just follow the steps. Okay, we're going to move on. You're just scaling your profits, which is the investors. Okay, iMarkets, JAFX. Okay, like I said, on each video you have the instructions. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, have all of the instructions. Okay, so we'll move to the next step. Now once you have everything set up, you want to get prepared for advertising. Now, they have ClickMagick in here, and you just simply sign up for an account with ClickMagick. Okay, custom tracking domain. You just get your instructions here. Okay, prepare for traffic, setting up your tracking links. Okay, you move to the next step. Advertising. This is where you would go and do the advertising. Okay, so you simply learn how to advertise, advertising strategies, paid and free. Okay, you can view the marketing tools, Udemy, human eyeballs, email and leads, traffic for me, free traffic. Okay, show you about Facebook groups, Facebook pages, build your tribe, TCP webinars. Okay, so you have all of that information there. Then you move to the next step. Okay, your autoresponder, how to set up your trial autoresponder. Download personal email templates. Okay. The follow-up formula gives you all of that. And the follow-up strategy. Then the next step. Join the group for more training. Okay. You have some instructions here. Just simply tell you what to do. Log in information tracker and download earnings tracker. Okay. And you have some bonus pages. And you click here to upgrade. Just say you want to upgrade to the system. You could do that as well. Okay. So with the upgrade, you get a lot more capture pages and things like that. 9 custom website, VIP training, personal contact page, bonus training, updates included, link accelerator, and things of that nature. And like I say, you can come here and go through the same process. Okay. That's the main hub. You start here. You have all the steps we just went through. Okay. Sales funnels, advertising, earn extra money, business incentive, TCP lifestyle system. Okay. So this is my 10K per month system review. You know, like I said earlier, just so you know, you have over 20 income streams within this system, and that you can plug any business that you want to plug into here. You can do so. So if you want to just plug it into the system, you do it and just start marketing the system. Okay. So this is the Facebook group. Okay. Keith Stevens. We have a lot of people contributing how to post on Facebook. Okay. Explaining something there. Lois Howard. Okay. Have a little motivational. Welcoming somebody in. Trials. Okay. So this is the Facebook group that you would get in, and you know, ask questions, learn marketing techniques, marketing strategies, and everything. And so don't want to get, if you feel like you're getting overwhelmed, you can always ask questions in this group. You have all the support here. Keith, myself, Mike, somebody's going to jump in and help you out. Okay. So that's just one of the things that we do inside of this group, inside of the Conversion Pros, period. Okay, so you have that support that you need in order to make your business successful. So once again, this is the 10K per month system review. If you want to get in on this system, there will be a link in the description for it for you to get signed up. Also, one just for the Conversion Pros, take you straight to the sign up page, and my information will be below, just so if you want to contact me, if you have any questions, you can contact me and we can go from there. But that's my 10K per month system review. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like this video, share this video. If you want to get in, go ahead on and sign up. I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of y'all who have just subscribed. And if you're contemplating subscribing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, get in on here, and that way I can help you and you help me. So we'll be helping one another on this internet marketing journey that we're on. So make sure you get into the 10K per month system. Okay, start going through the process of getting your system set up. Plug in with the Conversion Pros, plug in your business, and let's get this thing rocking. 28 now. Okay, so with that being said, that's all I have for this video. If y'all have any questions, you can contact me. So y'all contact me. So y'all have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.